Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, starting with the right hand. So one finger goes on your number one finger goes on a C, middle C, and we're going from there to the forefinger on G. So, and then your 5 hits 2 A's, 4 hits a G. Slide that forefinger over to an F, and you have 2 of those, 2 E's with the 3, and moving on down, 2 on D, and 1 on C. We're leaving our right hand right here for the next part. 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2. Repeats itself. G, G, F, F, E, E, D. And then you go back to the beginning and play the same thing. Let's take a look at the left hand. So we're doing C with the pinky, and 1 and 3 play E and G, and repeat that. You move your whole hand up to grab F, A, and C. So you're doing F with the pinky, and then A and C with the 1 and 3. Moving down, you have 5 on E, and 3 and 1 on G and C. So that goes. Moving on, you have another F to A and C, and another E to G and C. That's 5, 1 and 3, 5, 1 and 3, and then you're moving your pinky down to D, and then 1 and 2 for G and B, and then 1, 3, and 5 on C. Moving on, we have E to G and B, with 5 and 1 and 3, and then sliding that down, 5 to 1 and 3 on D and F and A, and then C and E and G with 1, 3, and 5. And then 1, 2, and 5 on D, G, B. So all of that. You repeat all of that. Now we're coming to the end, and we're getting a little bit different than the beginning time when you went through this. So we are doing C to E and G, but then we're doing C to G and B flat, and then F to A and C. So and then E to G and B. So all of that little part sounds like. Now everything but that C to G and B flat, where you're using your 1 and 2 to play those 2 guys together. All of the rest of it is 5 to 1 and 3. So 5, 1 and 3, 5, 1 and 2, 5, 1 and 3, 5, 1 and 3. Moving on, we have 5 to 1 and 3 on D to F and A, and then C to E and G with 5 to 1 and 3, and then we got a big chord, we're going D to G, B, D. I'm sorry, D to F, G, B. And then C, E, G. So that part is. Now we're going to start combining hands. 1, 2, 3, 4.